Union Minister of State Dr. Sukanta Majumdar to attend Bedding Thum Festival in Senrat Mukhla. Youth for Progress program in Umolong organized by National People's Youth Front under the theme Empowering Youth, Shaping the Future. Youth leader of National People's Party, Albertus Lapang, joins Bharatiya Janata Party. And Inter-Mahari Football Tournament 2025 tournament features 37 men's team and 20 women's team. The news in detail. In a historic first, Union Minister of State for Development of the North-Eastern Region, Dr. Sukanta Majumdar, will be the chief guest at the Bedding Thum Festival in Senrat Mukhla on August 31, 2025. The announcement was made by Bedding Thum Joint Committee Convener Prangki Pale, representing the 7 Senrats. Pale expressed pride in the minister's acceptance, noting it is a milestone for rural cultural celebrations. The North-Eastern Council has sanctioned Rs 1.93 crore to support infrastructure upgrades, including a sitting gallery and the cultural infrastructure hall in Senrat Sokampor.
Scheme Rio in the North-Eastern Council. The Yo sanction go Chikoro from the Pavilion. The Nagani Santly right the Chnagi Yaga VIP gallery. The Mutulong the Jet Goyaga community hall, cultural hall. Goboni maximum Pesa the line, which Naga VIP come public gallery.
Deputy Chief Minister Syam Bhalang Dhar served as chief guest at the Youth for Progress program held at Omolong Darbar Hall, organized by the National People's Youth Front of Nartyang under the theme Empowering Youth, Shaping the Future. In his address, Dhar praised the youth at present day change makers and emphasized their role in shaping society. The event featured technical sessions led by experts from various departments. Training partners such as MCSWA, Shillong Bamboo and Jantia institutions of technology showcase opportunities in skill development and entrepreneurship.
Kejimun pengani program be the employer, not the employee. Man kinong ay krek untuk man kinong krek. And I am one of them. At the same time, you're Emily. Nga arja sus pa sampaw yung imjah company nga. Into the way. Minimum kau dah jarum jada na semen a company ke wa ta bun sin ijo em negative mindset in every angle that is make us impossible to grow in every direction.
In a significant political shift, Albertus Lapang, a youth leader of the National People's Party from Jirang constituency, formally joined the Bharatiya Janata Party during a joining program held at the Darbar Hall of Harli Bagan, Bernihat. Lapang cited the BJP's commitment to statewide development as his reason for switching allegiance, claiming that the NPP benefits only a selected few leaders. Several other leaders from the NPP, UDP and Congress also joined the BJP. Welcomed by State Yuva Morcha President Dr. Mewakir Lingdo and Ribhoi District BJP President Mr. Sen Thaba, the event also featured a special felicitation of MMA fighter Mr. Johnny Nongrum.
Parti BJP yang menurut parti disebutnya ibasen ibala ailah dengan beberapa bantuan dari parti balik dari NPP dari keren Shillong haya kecilnya keren. Andai kapang ini nak beberapa dari parti ini iba kecil ini bagaimana parti dari ini.
The Prime Soramandala Rural Entrepreneurship Fellowship successfully organized a 2-day local products exhibition at the Tirot Singh Memorial Hall, Pindeng Omyong, Mairang from August 1st to 2nd, 2025. The event showcased traditional wine, honey and handcrafted items made by talented rural entrepreneurs from remote villages across the district. PSREF fellow Mongre Chan K highlighted that the exhibition aimed to provide a platform for local artisans and producers to display their skills and promote quality goods made in Mairang.
So what we are doing is we are integrating rural entrepreneurs who are working in local, who are working most of the backward villages, mostly in the rural areas. So for today's exhibition, we are just promoting and we are giving them platform so they can promote their talented and their good product so that the people from Mairang and also from the outsiders can also see about this product.
Bollywood icon Govinda Arun Ahuja inaugurated the Pine Club today at Queen Hotel, Jirabat, just days after Jirang MLA Ba Sosthenes Sotun raised concerns over alleged nightclubs and gambling activities at the venue. The event was attended by former Meghalaya Minister and MIDC Chairman James K. Sangma, along with club management and distinguished guests. Pine Club Vice President Mebon Rapthap clarified that the club, with around 125 members, has been operating for over 2 months now.
Ngalaman pli matasi akan disaki din tanok cai kelas babul indong saki jom member jom Pine Club anu mentah ngalaman yo mahasiswa arusan arum member Pine Club kaleng jelas jom di state jom ba di sultanat pin yedelang saki lang ne program jongi.
Wan Donbok Jirwa has been re-elected as president of the East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association for the 2025 to 2027 term. During his speech, Jirwa voiced concerns over the lack of financial security for taxi drivers and encouraged them to save at least 100 daily to support their families. He also urged the government to provide proper parking facilities, highlighting that despite paying taxes, taxi drivers are denied basic rights. South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shalai also attended the program. In a major boost to local infrastructure, the Dorbar Shnong Maudyang on Saturday inaugurated the newly constructed first floor of its Dorbar Hall. Nongpo MLA Mirul Bonse formally opened the facility, joined by former MDC Balajit Rani, headman Shri R. Wadri and traditional leader Linus Lingdo. Funded through both MLA and MDC schemes, the project reflects collaborative efforts to strengthen grassroots development.
Congratulate ban ai puram ban ai khuble ya executive committee ya di the league joki ya di la joki no kan dikena bagane bi di banjar bakini di rakan ya ka kagawin kimat ban beten ban head ya kan untuk bar joki kipor di banangan aga baginan yo ban pet ya gila singarap ya naga kota.
A road traffic accident occurred on Saturday evening around 8:15 p.m. near Jadhi, Maudyang involving a Maruti car and a stationary truck loaded with bamboo. The car, driven by Hinstarwell Kharmauplang of Rangbibi, East Khasi Hills, was en route to Shillong carrying pineapples with it collided with the rear of the truck. The impact caused significant damage to the vehicle and the driver sustained injuries. He was promptly taken to the civil hospital Nongpo, where medical officials classified the injuries as minor. On Thursday, Shillong Law College held a one-day seminar to present findings from the Chief Minister's research grant project titled Balancing Traditions and Legal Responsibility, Liability of Traditional Healers in East Khasi Hills. The event featured Sampat Kumar, Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare, as chief guest and C. Potlong of KHADC as special guest. Panelists unanimously called for a uniform legal framework across Meghalaya to govern traditional healing, recommending amendments to the 2011 KHADC Act, ethical codes, certification standards and disciplinary oversight. A man sustained serious head injuries after being attacked by a group of suspected drug addicts near the State Convention Centre around 9 p.m. The assailants reportedly demanded ₹50 from the victim and assaulted him when he refused. Passerby rushed to his aid and later apprehended 3 of the attackers behind Raj Bhavan. Police arrived promptly and arrested the trio. Though some suspects managed to escape, the victims was taken to Civil Hospital, Shillong for treatment. The Bajaj Finance Limited organized a financial literacy event titled Sutra Samvad in Shillong on Friday. As part of its nationwide campaign to promote financial awareness, the initiative brought together experts including Dr. Utpal Kumar De of Nihu, Pankaj Kumar Rasgania and representatives from MSRLS East Khasi Hills. Dr. De stressed that financial literacy involves strategic money management, not just basic arithmetic. The 5th Men's and 3rd Women's Inter-Mahari Football Tournament 2025 began with great excitement on Saturday at Government Boys Higher Secondary School Field, Chanmari. Organized by the District Sports Office in collaboration with the District Administration and District Football Association. The tournament features 37 men's team and 20 women's team. The opening ceremony was graced by Minister Marcus N. Marak, MLA of Williamnagar, along with other dignitaries. In his address, Marak praised the development of sports infrastructure and encouraged youth to utilize these opportunities.
So I'm very glad to be here today in this 5th edition of Inter-Mahari Football Tournament, which is organized by the organizing committee, supported by the sports officer here in West Grassroots district. So it's very interesting, very exciting match today played. It will help to identify the talents in their Maharis. All the Maharis, now started trying to find out who is having talent in football, who can play football very well. So therefore, it's a kind of a talent hunt. So it's a very good step.
Now for the weather report. Let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 81%, rainfall 24 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 80%, rainfall 20 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Joai, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 22 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 82%, rainfall 21 millimeters. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Joai says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur in most places. Before we wind up, here's a recap of today's top stories. Union Minister of State Dr. Sukanta Majumdar to attend Betingklam Festival in Senraj Mukta. Youth for Progress program in Umulong organized by National People's Youth Front under the theme Empowering Youth, Shaping the Future. Youth leader of National People's Party, Albertus Lapang, joins Bharatiya Janata Party. And Inter-Mahari Football Tournament 2025 tournament features 37 men's team and 20 women's team. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching and good night.